The Gardena Water Distributor is a revolutionary solution for automated garden irrigation, designed to make watering multiple areas of your garden simple and efficient. This versatile device connects up to 6 different watering lines, enabling you to customize and schedule irrigation for lawns, flower beds, or vegetable patches, all without manual intervention. Equipped with advanced programming, the distributor seamlessly integrates with Gardena's irrigation computers or timers. Each outlet can be individually programmed for watering duration and frequency, ensuring every part of your garden receives the care it needs. Crafted with durable, high-quality materials, the water distributor is built to withstand various weather conditions, providing reliable performance season after season. Its compact, user-friendly design allows for quick setup and maintenance, making it an ideal choice for garden enthusiasts. Whether you're home or away, the Gardena Water Distributor ensures that your plants remain healthy and vibrant, saving you time, water, and effort. Transform your gardening routine with this smart, automated watering solution. Gardena, bringing innovation and ease to your gardening experience. Meet the Fiskars Watering Rod with 3 functions, the ultimate tool for precise and effortless plant care. Whether you're tending to delicate flowers, hanging baskets, or robust garden beds, this watering rod offers 3 spray settings: jet, for powerful cleaning or targeted watering; mist, perfect for nurturing seedlings or sensitive plants; and shower, ideal for covering larger areas with a gentle flow. Crafted with a lightweight aluminum frame, it's built for durability and comfort. The rod's extended length and ergonomic handle reduce strain, letting you water even hard-to-reach spots with ease. Switching between spray modes is seamless, thanks to its intuitive control knob. Engineered for efficiency, its leak-proof design saves water while delivering maximum performance. Elevate your gardening experience with the Fiskars Watering Rod with 3 functions: smart, versatile, and built for every gardener's needs. The Tradeflame Weed Burner is a convenient and eco-friendly tool for garden maintenance. Designed to eliminate weeds without harmful chemicals, it uses intense heat to burn away unwanted growth at the root. Lightweight and easy to handle, the burner is powered by propane or butane, offering consistent performance. Its ergonomic design ensures user comfort during prolonged use, while the piezo ignition system guarantees quick and reliable startup. Perfect for driveways, pathways, and larger garden areas, the Tradeflame Weed Burner is a cost-effective solution for maintaining a weed-free landscape. Safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly, it's a must-have for any gardener. Looking for a powerful, efficient solution to tackle stubborn dirt and grime? Meet the Edge Blaster Pressure Washer Attachment, a game-changer in outdoor cleaning. Designed with precision, this innovative attachment transforms your pressure washer into a high-performance cleaning tool. The Edge Blaster features an adjustable nozzle system, allowing you to target dirt in tight corners, crevices, and along edges with ease. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-term use, while the lightweight design makes handling effortless even during extended cleaning sessions. What sets the Edge Blaster apart is its rotating jet technology, providing a 360-degree cleaning action for uniform results. Whether it's cleaning driveways, patios, or gutters, this attachment ensures a spotless finish without damaging surfaces. With Quick Connect compatibility, it seamlessly attaches to most pressure washers, saving time and effort. Plus, its water-efficient design minimizes waste while maximizing cleaning power, making it environmentally friendly. Get ready to blast through dirt and grime like never before with the Edge Blaster Pressure Washer Attachment, the ultimate cleaning companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Batavia Fix Brush is a powerful, versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle tough dirt and grime effortlessly. Equipped with a high-performance motor and interchangeable brush heads, it is ideal for cleaning various surfaces, including patios, tiles, and even vehicles. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the adjustable speed settings allow for precision cleaning. Its waterproof construction and rechargeable battery make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, offering convenience and reliability. With the Batavia Fix Brush, you can save time and energy, achieving professional-level results in your cleaning tasks. It's the ultimate solution for maintaining a spotless environment. The EasyGlide 300 is a lightweight, user-friendly electric scooter designed for effortless urban commuting. Powered by a robust 300W motor, it offers a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for zipping through city streets. The scooter features a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, providing up to 25 kilometers of range on a single charge, ensuring reliability for daily trips. Its sleek frame is foldable, allowing for easy storage and portability. Equipped with a dual braking system and durable, puncture-resistant tires, the EasyGlide 300 prioritizes safety and stability. LED headlights and a digital display enhance its practicality, keeping riders informed and visible during night rides. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or enjoying a leisurely ride, the EasyGlide 300 delivers convenience, style, and eco-friendly performance. Introducing the Darlac Grab and Lift, a revolutionary garden tool designed to make your outdoor chores easier and more efficient. Whether you're tidying up your garden, picking up leaves, or lifting waste, this tool is engineered to reduce strain and maximize convenience. The Grab and Lift features an ergonomic, lightweight design, ensuring comfort during prolonged use. Its long, sturdy handles allow you to work without bending, helping prevent back pain and fatigue. At the business end, the tool's wide jaws are equipped with toothed edges, ensuring a secure grip on debris of all shapes and sizes, from dry leaves to larger, bulkier garden waste. What truly sets the Grab and Lift apart is its spring-loaded mechanism. This innovative feature automatically keeps the jaws open, allowing you to collect debris swiftly and efficiently, all with one smooth motion. It's perfect for maintaining gardens, parks, and even commercial landscapes. Built with durability in mind, the Darlac Grab and Lift is made of high-quality materials that resist wear and tear, even with heavy use. Plus, its compact design makes storage hassle-free. Say goodbye to backbreaking labor and hello to effortless garden maintenance with the Darlac Grab and Lift, a must-have tool for every gardener. Get yours today and transform the way you work outdoors. Meet the Lithely U20 Leaf Blower, the ultimate lightweight tool to keep your yard spotless. Compact yet powerful, the U20 features a high-efficiency motor that delivers an impressive airspeed of up to 120 miles per hour, clearing leaves and debris with ease. Weighing only 2.7 pounds, it's designed for effortless, one-handed use, making it perfect for all-day projects. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the 20V battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. With its adjustable speed control, you can switch between tasks seamlessly. Whether you're tidying up your driveway, patio, or garden, the Lithely U20 makes cleanup fast and hassle-free. Ready to revolutionize your yard work? Choose the Lithely U20 Leaf Blower. Simplicity, power, and convenience, all in one. Looking for a powerful and reliable cleaning solution? Meet the Sunjoe Cleaner, your ultimate tool for tackling dirt, grime, and tough stains. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, the Sunjoe Cleaner is perfect for a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks, from patios and driveways to vehicles and garden furniture. Equipped with a robust motor, this cleaner delivers high-pressure water output, cutting through dirt with ease. Its lightweight and compact design ensure easy maneuverability, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. Plus, with its adjustable spray wand, you can customize the pressure to suit delicate surfaces or stubborn grime. The Sunjoe Cleaner also features an onboard detergent tank, allowing you to mix cleaning agents seamlessly for a deeper, more thorough clean. Built with durability in mind, its corrosion-resistant body ensures long-lasting performance, even with regular use. Whether you're a homeowner maintaining your property or a professional tackling tough jobs, the Sunjoe Cleaner delivers the power and versatility you need. Clean smarter, not harder, with Sunjoe, the brand trusted by millions worldwide. Are you tired of guessing what your plants need? Introducing Smarty Plants, the ultimate smart sensors designed to keep your greenery thriving effortlessly. Smarty Plants uses cutting-edge technology to monitor vital aspects of your plant's health, from soil moisture levels to sunlight exposure, temperature, and even nutrient content. These sensors provide real-time insights straight to your smartphone. With an easy-to-use app, you'll receive tailored recommendations and timely alerts. No more overwatering, underwatering, or guessing when to fertilize. Smarty Plants ensures every leaf gets exactly what it needs to flourish. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, these sensors are weatherproof, energy efficient, and compatible with all plant species, whether you're nurturing succulents, herbs, or vibrant flowers. Make plant care smart and stress-free with Smarty Plants. It's not just a tool, it's your green companion for a thriving garden. Elevate your gardening game today with Smarty Plants, where technology meets nature. Smarty Plants, because every plant deserves a little love and attention.